Microcar electric. Here are the 5 models not to be missed. They already drive at 16N. Given their size and prices, they can be the ideal solution for the city. They access all the ZTLs and enjoy an incentive equal to 30% of the list price, up to a maximum of €3,000. The bonus rises to 40%, with a ceiling of €4,000. If another vehicle is scrapped, even be a motorcycle or a scooter. Let's start out list. 1. Citroen Ami. What need is there for a big car to go around the streets of the center? The Ami is only 241 centimeters long. Onboard AI is all easy. The controls are intuitive, with a driving mode selector limited to 3 buttons. The maximum speed is 45 km per hour. The declared autonomy reaches 75 km, with a 6 kW electric motor with a total weight below 480 kg. Prices start at €7,600, but with the eco bonus, it goes down to about €5,700. 2. Tazzari Zero. His Zero was presented at the Bologna Motor Show in December 2009 and is now available in an entire range ranging from light quadricycles, the Junior, which has been driving for 14 years, to heavy quadricycles, for 16 years. The Junior has prices starting at €14,750 plus VAT and is a 2-seater with a declared range of over 140 km, with lithium batteries. The maximum speed is 45 km per hour. 3. XEV YoYo. XEV YoYo, a little bit from Turin, a little bit Chinese. The ambition is to sell 2,000 in Italy this year. The manufacturer of YoYo is XEV, a company born in 2017 in Turin, and today it is controlled by Italian, Chinese and American shareholders. Reservations have opened online since May 1 in Italy as the launch market, with deliveries from July. Prices starting from €10,900. The declared autonomy is 150 km, with a 9.5 kWh battery. Maximum speed of 70 km per hour, with a 7.5 kW motor. 4. Renault Twizy. Renault Twizy, 10 years have done very well. It is now a classic of electric microcars, having been launched by Renault already 10 years ago. Today it is built in Korea and is available in 2 versions. The 45, with prices from €12,000, less incentive, can be driven at 14 years. The 80, with prices from €12,800, less incentive, takes 16 years. With a monthly fee. In this case, the initial price drops by around €4,500. The architecture of the Twizy is very particular and fun and make it even more slippery in traffic and easier to park. In both versions, the declared autonomy is 100 km. 5. Microlino. We are talking about the Microlino, an electric machine inspired by the legendary BMW Isetta of the last century. The Microlino will be available with 2 battery options for 125 or 200 km of range, 11 or 15 kW motors with 100 Nm of torque. The length is 2.4 meters, the weight is 450 kilograms with 300 liters of trunk capacity. With an acceleration from 0 to 50 km per hour in 5 seconds and a top speed of 90 km per hour. However, reservations are already open. Prices start at €12,000 minus incentives. Do you want to be part of our community and always stay informed? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon.